How's it going, everybody? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here, and today I'll be showing you this pretty cool JC-Penney metal bladed box fan. This is one of my friends. I think it's a pretty cool fan. I got the Pinterest version of this box fan. It's in pretty good shape too. There's the back of it. Thing's pretty minty. Alright, we'll start her off on low. It's got a nice low speed. Now we'll go to medium. This thing hauls ass. Now we'll go to high. Pretty nice fan. And there's off.
This was had time to go put the big downstairs in that bedroom. I think this is bigger though. I think that's 48. No, that's 42.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later.